Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how you can convert your JPG photo into PDF using Google Chrome. So keep watching. In this video I will guide you. So friend, first of all I'm going to open my Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome browser. And right now I'm going to minimize this Google Chrome. And this is JPG file, and here I want to save this JPG file into PDF format. So what I will do, simply select this JPG file and drag over here into your Google Chrome. So friend, you can see this image is open into your browser. So simply just click on this three icon and click over here print, or you may use keyboard shortcut Ctrl P, and you will see save option. If you have any printer, if you attached into your system, you will get this option. Just click on this drop down button and click on this save as a PDF. Okay, so click over there, and here I'm going to show you some options like portrait. If you want to add this image as a portrait in PDF, then you can simply select over here. And if you want to add this image as a landscape, you can easily select landscape. And here I'm going to show you some option, more settings. This is the page size. Which type of page size you want, just select one by one, so you will get the preview like this. Just change one by one which you like. So I like this one. And here margin, if you want to add margin, so you can add minimum margin, and if you want to add custom margin, you can set from here. And for example, I'm going to add 5. It is not taking 5, like 10. So this will do like this. Okay, so I'm going to remove it, default. And here header footer, if you want to add header footer you can do, or you can, if you want to remove, just uncheck this one. And right now I'm going to click on this save button, and here on desktop I'm going to click on this save button. This JPG will save into PDF. I'm going to right click and click on this properties, and you can see this is the PDF format. Right now I'm going to open, double click on this, so you can see this image is converted into PDF. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can convert your JPG into PDF without any software. Here the Google Chrome is providing you these features. You can easily convert image into PDF. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. If you're coming first time on this YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel so you will learn like this, because I am uploading this type of video every week, so you will get the new updates like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.